It is important for everyone to have their calendar availability updated so that others at the college can schedule meetings with them when it's convenient and available to them. So, the first step in doing that is to set your availability times on your calendar. To do that, I'm on the webmail. So you're going to go up to the top menu at the right and click on the gear icon. Under that, on settings at the left-hand menu, you're going to click on calendar. And then the second menu that pops up, you're going to click on work hours and location. So here you're going to see all of the different days of the week, and you click on them to add time that you're going to be available working on those days. So if you're working Monday through Friday, you would select Monday through Friday, and then each of these has times that you can set to work and be available. And so let's say, Monday 8 to 5, let's say maybe regularly I work 8 to, let's say 1 on Tuesdays, but then I come back to work, let's say at 4 to 5. And you can actually do this on every day and have multiple time slots that you're available. It is important to note that this should only be done if this is a regular occurrence for you. Every Tuesday, this is the hours that you do. So once you have all of those set, you can show your location on your calendar if you like. It's not necessary, but you do see there is an option here to choose either remote or office. It will show on your calendar as well as show in Teams, but that is not necessary to your availability. So I'm going to hit save, and it's going to populate my hours and location. You'll see when I go back to the calendar that there's some things grayed out. So I did not select Saturdays, so you'll see Saturday is grayed out, and that means that I am not available on Saturdays. And then you'll see on Tuesdays from 1 to 4, this is also grayed out. And so that will be every Tuesday. So if I go to the next week, it's going to block out that section on Tuesdays. And then you'll see that it will cut off at the time that I selected, which was 5 in this case, and start at 8 a.m., which is what I selected. And so that will be whichever you select on your calendar. And so now your availability will show with it being white, and then all unavailability will be shown as slightly grayed out. So now meetings that you have will fill up this white space, and any of the white space that it's not with a meeting will show up as available to be scheduled for other people, which is very helpful when scheduling meetings. If you are an instructor, it's very important to put on your teaching schedule here so that no one can schedule over your teaching. And so to do that, you can just click on and add your own basically invite to yourself and choose the date and time. And you can always do it as reoccurring. So every Tuesday, Thursday until the end of the quarter. And save. And then that will block that off on your calendar so no one will schedule time with you there thinking that you're available when you actually aren't.